Hey guys, today we are going to be looking at Airtame's version of an extended desktop. So to get started, we want to make sure we have our windows open that we would like to share with our students. So I have Google Chrome, and I want to make sure you know that everything that is in this Chrome window is what will display on my Airtame on my board. So any of these tabs that I click on will become live on my Airtame. Everything else will be hidden. So first off, if you have not installed Airtame, make sure you go get that from the Software Center. If you already have it installed, you can find it under your Start menu, and you just type Air. Or you can scroll through your applications. From here, when you're ready to join an Airtame, you can search or scroll through, but usually searching for it is going to be faster. So whatever room you're in will have the campus number and then usually the classroom that Airtame is associated with, and you can just search by typing that in. So I'm at Johnson, so I have 014, and then I'm in A212. Once I've searched it, I can see that it comes up here, and I have two options. I can share my screen, which shares everything on my computer, or I can share a window. And by doing share window, I select what goes up on the board, and the other applications and things will not display. So I'm going to choose share window, and then I'm going to put in my code to join, so that way I know I'm joining the right Airtame. And then from here, I can select my window that I would like to share. And if you look at my little pop-out video, you can see that I am now on the Airtame sharing my Word document. This is a live document. I can type and add to it. I can insert pictures, work with my students collaboratively, anything that I would want to do in the classroom. So you can see that these things are all happening on that Airtame screen, and you are able to interact. I can also change between tabs up here at the top. So as I change, those tabs become visible for my students. So again, anything that is in this display, in this screen, my browser screen, will show for my students. Now, if I choose to change to another screen, so I have all of these open, but I'm going to go to another screen, I can use Alt-Tab on my keyboard. So I hold down Alt and I press Tab, and it will let me choose from the other screens that I have available. So this is another Chrome window, another Chrome screen window that I can open. And you can see here now it's loading on my computer for me to see, but if you look down at my little pop-out window, it is still displaying what I had shared with my students. So now my students could be working on a daily warm-up, going through a video, or working self-paced through something, and I have the timer up on the screen for them while I come over to my other window and I am able to answer some emails, give student feedback, and things like that. So again, I can Alt-Tab to get between my screens. So I'm sharing what I see here because it's the window I selected, or I can Alt-Tab to take a look at a window that is not shared with my students. Now, if I want to share another window with my students, I can use that same window button. I click on it again, and then I'm going to select another window. And I know it's going to select it because it turns it kind of a blue-purple color. And now this window will share on my screen. So you can see that I'm looking at my window and my students are able to see my window from the Airtame. All right, so that is our extended desktop via Airtame.